Okay, YouTube land, welcome. Welcome to the shop. I'll give you a little shop tour. There's the hammer, there's power hammer. This thing's a lot of fun. If you can ever get a power hammer and you like blacksmithing, get a power hammer. That's just a handler, 734. It's not really big, but it's a lot bigger than I am. So you can have a lot of fun with something like that. Up on the walls here, you see like different sort of pieces from past works, sort of like a blacksmith's portfolio, if you will. There's different samples of work that I did over the years. Up here, and there's some up there. There's my dragon. A lot of the stuff is really practicing for other things. These are Victorian lamps. Those are kind of cool. Maybe I'll want to rebuild those someday. Here's another kind of fun little piece. And you can see the 1/2-inch hole through a 1/2-inch bar. I like that. So yeah, there's the power hammer. Over here is the gas forge. I like to keep a little table next to the power hammer if I am using any kind of tooling or anything. And this is my gas forge. I use gas forge a lot. I can heat up big long sections and I can get them really hot. This is a fan-assisted, naturally aspirated, so you got the burners there, forge. I can do welding, I can weld in there, and I can heat up lots of stock in the gas burner. Over here is stock rack, a little bit. Here's another sample. I like that one, that's kind of cool. I didn't get that job, but I got this job. Over here is the Camelback drill press. Kind of like the drill press that started it all. It's been run off the line shafts. And this is my Delta drill press. This is kind of a neat piece. I like it because it's from the, I don't know if you can read that, but War Department, yeah, Ordnance District. They used to build bombs and ammunition with this thing. Now we use it for our work. And it still works great. It still works great. This thing still works awesome. Over here, 2x72 belt grinder that we've been playing with and just got a little while ago. Chop saw, big table. I use the table for a lot of assembly and layouts and stuff. Here's the anvil. Every blacksmith's got to have an anvil, right? This is mine. This is 475 pounds of fun. It's pretty flat. I was lucky to be able to buy it brand new. It's made by somebody, I think, on the West Coast or something. I'm not sure. So that's my anvil. Power hammer. I built the little thing in the back to help lift the power hammer when I had to. This is my newly reconstructed side draft forge that I'm just waiting to cut the, you can see the fire pot here. Here's a fire pot. And I had to rebuild that a little bit. And I'm gonna cut that and put that right in there and get rid of those rags. And we'll build a forge there. Again, rebuild it. Here's tongs, tools, hammers, top tools. Torch, welder. The vise, gotta have a vise. You gotta have a vise. You should have a bunch of vices if you can. Scattered and laying all around. There's another vise. Actually, I only have two. And the new machine room. And just peek up the curtain here. But check this baby out. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, that's a bridge for it, isn't it? Yes, I recognize that. That's gotta be a bridge for it. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, flaking. Wow. Oh, that'll be fun. I'll look forward to that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll do another episode on that. Over here we have the air compressor. And that's about it. That's about it for right now. Yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know. Here's another sample. All right, well, everybody have a good night, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.